Forex market video analysis, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome back. It is Monday today, and we're basically gonna pick it up right where we left last time with the pound Japanese yen. That was last Friday. So we had a bullish conviction over there. We knocked off the target, and now we want to talk about the twin brother Euro Japanese yen. It looks like we're gonna switch. Now taking the hitting the target with the pound Japanese yen allows us to start talking about the situation in the Euro Japanese yen and potentially pull the trigger, pretty soon. I'm thinking maybe even by the end of the day today. So let me show you the situation. It's a bit tricky here because I have to connect two different time frames to make sense here, right? So we got the 4-hour chart that represents the very short-term cycle, represented by this black system here, and mostly what I'm talking about is this move, up, down, up, right? We have 1, 2, 3, where what we think is a breakout is coming, right? A breakout off of these two strong resistance levels. I would say mostly 139.50, 139.49. Once we got that out of the way, we think we can catch the rest of that move all the way up to 142.73. So that's going to be our profit target and final destination in this case. On the flip side, since we only have 1, 2, 3, we might have another leg on the way down again, going back to the lower section 137.70, and only later down the road we'll have the next leg coming up with that big breakout. That's why we have to be cautious. So effectively speaking, we have two convictions. We have a bullish medium-term conviction, price going to 142.73. However, short-term conviction is actually kind of bearish, right? Because until price action starts to drill through these two resistance levels, we're actually preferring the bearish situation, where price action is I think more than likely to turn around and go back to 137.70. The way we secure each one of those scenarios is by using 139.49 as a trigger for a bullish position, and a break below 138.64 as a trigger for a bearish position, again for a quick one, to 137.70. Hope that makes sense. Let me show you how it looks like from the daily chart, a little bit of a bigger picture. As you can see, price is turning around in a key area. It just snatched that previous low. We had a 1, 2, 3. Now I'm referring to the bigger blue system, right? It's not the black one anymore. And here, check this out. We got that 1, 2, 3, and now we believe this may be a tipping point leading to a move that's going to create that fourth leg that we're missing, right? It's going to take us back all the way up to 142.73 at the very minimum. We think it has the potential to go beyond and chase the previous highs around 144.20. So a bit of a price extension there if we need it, right? But yeah, like I said, very interesting situation here. We don't know yet where we're going to land with this, which is why we're going to have to give it a little bit more time to get that clarification. And of course make the right decision, hopefully, right? Anyway, that's pretty much it. Still standing on the sideline with this one, waiting to strike. That's about that. Euro Japanese yen. Moving on to the next one. See you there.